Yeah guys, I wish you all a happy new year, right? 31 of December 2021. I think things can get back on track, and let's hope that 2022, man, it's completely different from the shitty crappy year that we just faced. Alright guys, no lame talk today, man. 31 of December 2021, doing my last ride of the year, and of course I had to give some words to you guys. I hope you guys have everything you wish and the best wishes ever for next year, man. All the nice projects and all the goals you want to achieve. I really wish you a happy new year with everything you guys want and desire in your life. That's the important thing. And be happy. Please be happy, man. Make me the favor of being happy, like the Portuguese friend used to say. Alright guys, this is the last video of the year. I hope you guys enjoyed the channel this year. I hope so. With my new adventures on the XT and the Tenere. We'll try to do some more stuff and nice stuff on next year, and I have few surprises, more reviews to come and more adventures to do, and especially participating in some touring rides and off-road rides. Let's see what we can do. So I wish you all a happy new year, man. All the best wishes for you all, and I'll leave you with these amazing images of the winter in Portugal. And we'll see each other on the next one. And don't forget, ride in peace, guys. See you next year.